Hi, it's Barbara speaking.
I'm not convinced, sir.
Huh?
Hello, how are you, sir?
I'm good.
Sir, I need to speak to Barbara, sir.
Speaking?
Ma'am, is it you who's speaking or is it sir?
Me, Barbara.
Yeah.
I've been divorced. My surname is now Confucancy.
Yeah. You need to try another trick. So this one is not working.
So what is your trick? Maybe I buy.
This is new to me, guys. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Can I call the other number, the 0724147700?
You will speak to the same person, but let me tell you one thing.
Yes.
What are you selling?
You are interested in knowing what I'm selling.
Please,
But
yes.
you are not the person.
Yes, please. What are you selling?
Okay, sir. I'm selling the DSTV streamer device. It's a portable device that comes with a built-in Wi-Fi connector.
Is it a water streaming? Is it a water stream? You cannot sell a water stream.
I cannot tell.
You want to sell to me a water stream?
A DSTV streamer device, sir.
What type of water is that? DSTV
No,
water.
it's not water, sir. It's a DSTV streamer. It's a device that comes with a built-in Wi-Fi connector. It doesn't require any satellite station.
Oh, so you say it's wind-free. It's wind-free there.
It's a built-in Wi-Fi connector.
Wind-free, you say. Say.
God. What have I gotten myself into? Okay, so it comes with an HDMI cable that you can connect onto your TV.
Cables. I don't. Oh, can I connect it to my toilet seat?
To your?
Toilet seat. Then I can watch on the toilet.
It doesn't have to be connected to the toilet seat, but you can definitely take it to your toilet and work and use it on your toilet because it's using an HDMI cable. You can connect it onto your laptop, your computer, even onto your TV.
But I cannot carry my TV to the toilet. It's a huge TV.
Yes, but you can carry your laptop.
No, don't have laptop.
That means you don't need to carry the device to the toilet. So you can go to the toilet to do your toilet stuff.
So
come out of the toilet to watch the device.
So what you're telling me, I must relocate my toilet to the living room where the TV is.
Is it okay? Right now you have a TV in your living room.
Yeah, my living. So I need to.
You need right now to relocate to the toilet. Let's start there before the device is even delivered to you. Do you see the need to relocate your toilet to where the TV is currently?
Okay, I think I'll get the plumber to do that for me. Maybe this afternoon. Do you know what is? Can you speak Afrikaans?
I can praat nie Afrikaans nie.
Oh, do you know what is the word "the worst" in Afrikaans?
The worst.
Yeah, you know what the meaning is. The worst. It's when something is very bad. The worst.
I understand it's in English. I don't know it in Afrikaans. You want to teach me?
Yeah, in Afrikaans it's called die ergste. Die ergste. That means the worst. That is my YouTube channel name. And I think all the people who call me unwanted, I will post it there. You can have a look there. I'm taking you for a joke. But I still respect you. But we did not ask for this call. Die ergste. Die ergste.
Oh gosh, I I knew this was coming.
You want to speak to Barbara?
Yes. Let me just speak to Barbara instead. I would love to speak to Barbara and just hear what she has to say.
Ja, hierso Barbara, hierso.
Oh, she's there.
Ja, she, yeah, here I am.
Come on.
Okay, fine. You speak, Barbara. Barbara, you speak now.
Okay. What did I say?
Oh my God. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna call Barbara on her own personal phone for this man. How about that?
Praat nou.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna call Barbara on her own personal cell phone so that I can speak directly to Barbara.
But that's her number. That's her number.
This is my number.
But how come? Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Praat, Barbara. Praat nou met die vrou.
Wat moet ek vir haar sê?
I don't know what you should say.
You know what? It's fine, Barbara. It's okay. It's okay, Barbara. I don't know who is Barbara now between the two of you, but whoever Barbara is, okay. Thank you so much.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Nokulunga. Can you pronounce that name?
No, you just spell it for me.
Oh my goodness. It's so long there. I don't think you'll be able to get it right. It's Nokulunga. So that's Nokulunga. In English, it means being kind. I am a kind person. My name, I followed my name.
Not Kulunga. Not Kulunga. You are very kind, but sorry for disappointing you. I hope I made your day.
You definitely did.
Just go on my YouTube channel, Die Ergste. Should I spell it to you?
Yeah, can you just spell it for me? I need to search this minute. Make sure that you...
You know, the first part is like die, when you die is D-I-E. In Ergste, the next part is all one word, is E-R-G-S-T-E. So the D and the second E is capital letters. It's my YouTube channel.
Oh, it's your YouTube channel.
So
Definitely. You know what? I'm gonna follow you actually. You know what? I'm going to follow you on YouTube now. You have a new follower.
okay, no Kulunga. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Faye. Okay, bye.
Bye.